Oh yeah. Oh. Oh Jesus, this is uncomfortable, but okay.
This is very comfortable. I don't know what you're talking about.
I guess I can kind of squat a little bit. Are you kidding me? Did someone have their phone out? Are you kidding me?
Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, Superman Ultimate Flight is currently experiencing a temporary delayed operation.
Shit! Oh my god.
Please exit through the way you came and avoid jumping over any handrails. Thank you.
First on-ride exit ever going to be the most uncomfortable ride in the friggin' world?
Probably.
On-ride exit from this.
Platform at the bottom.
We better get a fast pass.
We need to get a fast pass.
This is... Hope they're taking out their ride.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's not...
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, at this time, Superman Ultimate Flight is currently experiencing a temporary delayed operation.
I got that on camera too.
I had a feeling.
Come on.
I prefer...
I'm gonna stop recording. We just went back up and we're going. Oh my god. Oh, okay. My balls. Well,
I'm just happy to get off, Superman.
You like to what?
yeah. So
Happy to get off, Superman.
So that first element we went through is the pretzel knot. That was what I was most excited about on this ride. Not because like, oh, you're flying and everything. You're like, everything is pressed against your back, and that, yeah.
That was